why he bought a $70,000 truck for his employee.
We just dropped 70,000, so this is his. Everyone at the dealership was like, hey, congrats, like brand new truck. I was like, this is not for me, it's for my foreman. This is for him, man. This is the first ever brand new truck we bought for the company. And he was our first ever employee. I think it's well deserved, man. Without him, we can't do any of this. So he's been working with us alongside me since before the company even existed. So he believed in the dream before there was even a company. Dude, it was crazy. Like I was at the office, we had to get all the trucks wrapped. And I was like, how are we gonna coordinate the trucks? We have a lot of jobs going on. You know what? This guy deserves a truck. I was like, I'm gonna go to the dealership right now. And I went, and this fit the description we wanted. It's a heavy duty truck. We're able to pull a dump trailer. There's enough space to have multiple guys in the truck.
Follow me for more roofing videos.